Come on, see.
Let's go. I don't go. I'll see what. What about?
I don't do it.
Sure. Alright.
Baba Tanya pani nyandulo.
She's your name. Panafe.
Go see Papa Pork and of meeting.
Madai. Koruche me. Eh?
Auna nzara.
Kabero pera kabawa. Tanga uchema. Ucheme.
This right.
Madai. Nzo. Ndimro mwabandit. I'm there for you. Ucheme chicha hitika.
Pata nyantu yinokuti ndokuda.
Kana ninokuda futhi ndoziwa chaizo but go straight to the point.
Nezulu some thieves broke in.
Okabe, chicha katorwa chauri kuti bauchemera kudaro muziyo totenga imwe maitani.
They didn't take anything.
So why are you crying? Because thieves broke in and broke out.
They came into my bedroom, Dagara.
Oh. Chicha bajati.
Baba Tanya, you won't divorce me.
My time. Iwewe nini kusvika rufu rwatiparadzanisa ndo zvatakataurana pamuchato till death do us part. Come on. Chi
Ndotopidza ninyacho.
My time. Taura nini chi chakaitika. Chi ona uri kungotenderera. Chi, you are crying and you are making me feel bad and very sad. Chi, taura nini tinzo my time. Ndi murume wako, you don't have to hide anything from me.
Tango promise out on the ramp.
My time. Sasa sepa zakudaro ere my time yonai. Taura nini tinzo.
Mbavha dzakapinda ngoro warume chete.
They didn't take anything chokuti ungabva wachemera kudaro.
Saka pawakapinda. It was Manero.
Manero, yes.
Ndobva.
Is Tanya okay?
Tindakada.
Alright, saka chicha kaiti.
Vakabva
Taura my time. Chi.
ngatirepa.
Saka notauti vakapinda muno. Kutanyangaru.
Ingari muroom make. You know Tanya's room is big.
Akatadza kuscream.
Tanya ngakarara.
Iyo ukatadza kuscreama.
Ndakascreama but asinombobatsira baba.
Maitanya. My neighbors akatadza kuzinzwa.
Hapana akambouya.
Maitanyaka.
Baba Tanya ndakambouya.
Aiwa man. Uta basa kunza my boyfriends ako pamba pana pewe.
Baba Tanya ndakamboita my boyfriends. We've been living together for 7 years now.
Yes, 7 years is a lot of time. Kunza my boyfriends.
Pese papa ukadezi nambomaonera.
Maitanyaka.
Baba Tanya.
Maitanyaka.
Baba Tanya, it wasn't what I wanted, Baba Tanya.
It wasn't what you wanted. Utori hure Maitanya.
Baba Tanya, don't do this to me.
Maitanya. Nosoti ndandikoneka suspicion kaikeke kuti pane zvauri kuita.
Baba Tanya, I've been faithful to you.
You've been faithful.
Baba Tanya, I swear, man.
Iwe wakaunza Maitanyaka. You brought a boyfriend in my house.
They even
and
tore
you
my
slept
clothes.
in my bed.
They even tore my clothes.
And you lied to my face. Unezvivindi mukadzi wangu. In fact, unezvivindi ex mukadzi wangu. Don't touch me. Don't. Maitanya nzonzo. I'm warning you. I'm warning you, Maitanya.
I did nothing wrong.
Did nothing wrong. Inzwa. Dai wairo yaka. Handina problem nazo. But kuchita.
I never cheated on you, Baba.
You are a cheater. Don't worry, Shumba Zunan. This is. You are a cheater.
Counseling right now.
Counseling. Iwe maitanya.
Baba Tanya.
Unombondona sani iwe?
Baba Tanya.
Listen. I want you to be gone. I want you out.
Where do I go?
Mzinzo, panduzoka kunoku. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Maitanya.
Baba Tanya usandidaro.
Ngonzo. Andina daga newe. Ndinokuda. But you already cheated.
Baba Tanya, I never cheated on you.
You never cheated on me.
Baba Tanya.
Mume muruma achuya mumba mangu.
I never got them in.
Do you know how many years it took us to build this house, Maitanya? You are under our roof.
I know, Baba Tanya.
No. You know what? I don't have time for this. You say no.
Baba Tanya.
Usanye ulipambi. Nakusika waenda.
Baba Tanya.
Onyari. Nika yose remba yo baziva manje kuti Maitanya. 7 years till marriage. One day chete rango break. Maitanya. Zvimwe shanisa pfungwa mani iwe.